Stonehenge, one of the world's most iconic prehistoric monuments, stands as a testament to ancient ingenuity. Located in Wiltshire, England, this massive stone circle dates back to around 3000 BCE. Archaeologists believe it was constructed in several stages over 1,500 years. The largest stones, called sarsens, weigh up to 25 tons each, while the smaller blue stones originate from Wales, over 150 miles away. The purpose of Stonehenge remains debated, with theories ranging from astronomical observatory to religious site. The massive sarsen stones were sourced from the Marlborough Downs, 20 miles north of Stonehenge. These sandstone blocks formed naturally over millions of years. Neolithic workers used stone hammers and antler picks to shape and detach the stones from the bedrock. Evidence shows they created grooves around the stones, then inserted wooden wedges that expanded when wet to crack the stone free. This painstaking process could take months for a single stone. Moving 25-ton stones without wheels or metal tools was an extraordinary feat. Researchers suggest Neolithic people used a combination of log rollers and sledges. Teams of 100 to 200 people would have pulled the stones on lubricated wooden tracks. Experiments show this method could move megaliths about 1 mile per day. The route likely followed natural valleys to minimize elevation changes. This overland transport may have taken weeks or months for each stone. For the smaller blue stones from Wales, water transport may have been key. Some archaeologists propose the stones were moved on rafts along rivers and coastal waters. Replicas show that 4-ton blue stones could float on large log rafts. The route might have included the river Avon, requiring portages between waterways. This method would have been faster than overland transport, but still dangerous, with risks of capsizing and losing precious stones. The final overland journey to Stonehenge required immense coordination. After river transport, stones were dragged up gentle slopes to Salisbury Plain. Recent experiments suggest teams could move 1-ton stones about 200 yards per day this way. For larger stones, they may have built temporary wooden tracks that were disassembled and reused. The process would have required careful planning to synchronize hundreds of workers and maintain consistent pulling power. At the Stonehenge site, workers prepared precise positions for each stone. They dug holes with sloping sides using antler picks and shoulder blades. The holes were shaped to fit each stone's base, some with packing stones for stability. Astronomical alignments were carefully calculated. The main axis points to the summer solstice sunrise. The surrounding circular ditch and bank, built earlier, may have served as a sacred boundary for the construction area. Erecting the massive sarsens required ingenious engineering. Workers likely built wooden A-frames and used leverage to tilt stones into their holes. As the stone neared vertical, ropes from the opposite side would control its descent. The holes contained packing stones to stabilize each upright. Estimates suggest raising one large sarsen would take about 150 people working together. The process was dangerous. A slipping stone could crush workers. Adding the horizontal lintels completed Stonehenge's iconic trilithons. Workers probably built earth ramps to raise the 7-ton lintels. They shaped the tops of uprights and bottoms of lintels with precise mortise and tenon joints. Some lintels were secured with carved knobs fitting into hollows. This interlocking system shows advanced woodworking techniques adapted to stone. The lintels may have formed a complete circle, creating a continuous ring above the uprights. Stonehenge's alignment with solstices suggests astronomical importance. At summer solstice, the sun rises directly over the heel stone, illuminating the center. The blue stones may have been valued for their perceived healing properties. Recent discoveries of cremated human remains indicate it was also a burial site. The monument likely served multiple purposes: calendar, temple, and memorial, attracting pilgrims from across Britain. Today, Stonehenge remains one of humanity's greatest engineering mysteries. It demonstrates Neolithic people's sophisticated understanding of astronomy, geometry, and mass organization. The monument has inspired countless theories, from Druid temples to alien constructions. Ongoing research continues to reveal new insights about its construction and purpose. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it stands as a powerful connection to our ancient past, attracting over 1 million visitors annually.